Welcome to Hawk Ridge Systems, the #1 value-added reseller for SolidWorks worldwide. Here at Hawk Ridge Systems, our #1 priority is making sure that our customers are taken care of. All of our online training tools give you a robust way to get what you need quickly. We provide world-class, live, instructor-led training for you and your team. We will be there to guide them through our suite of software and hardware solutions and solidify the best practices to getting the most out of these tools. Our course catalog delivers dozens of certified training courses to help your team learn what they need and get the job done right. From complex machine design, programming, managing data, we make it easy to find the course that suits you best and get signed up quickly. Need help finding the right course for you? We're here to help, so don't be afraid to ask. When you log into our virtual training platform, we put everything together for you right in one place, including access to virtualized training computers. We make it easy to get started with training. If you don't have access to the latest version of SolidWorks, or if you need some additional tools, our online training platform will help you get what you need quickly. Simply launch your virtual desktop, and you'll have access to all of your software tools that you need for training. Inside the virtual training platform, there's also a wealth of other online tools. You can download your course files, even access our YouTube channel if you'd ever like to look for more tips and tricks. When it comes time for your training class, simply log into the virtual classroom using GoToMeeting. You'll get an easy-to-use email reminder from our training team to help you get started right away. Your course instructor will teach you the key concepts about different aspects of the software during their live presentation, and you'll get a chance to solidify that knowledge with a wide variety of hands-on experience during the training. These classes are designed with you in mind, so if you have questions during your training session, don't be afraid to ask our experts. It's our mission to make sure that this is a valuable experience to help you gain the knowledge that you need. If you need access to an electronic copy of your training manual, we've also got you covered there. Each of our training courses use a training manual with all the steps necessary to work through case studies and help you learn new content. This book is yours to keep, and for any of our SolidWorks courses, this includes access to an e-copy, perfect for travel, making notes, and searching for content if you need a refresher. Speaking of a refresher, our strategic partnership with SolidProfessor makes it easy for you to revisit any of the concepts you may have learned in live instruction training. A perfect complement to what you've already learned. And if your schedule doesn't allow for attending a live class, that's another great benefit of SolidProfessor's library of over 7,500 training videos. Learn what you need at your own pace with small bite-sized segments for you to practice anytime you need. You can even study other topics like GD&T that may not be covered in a live course. And if your goals are to get certified in any CAD software, here's an excellent way for you to get prepared as well as keep your skills sharp. We're here to help you learn more, so don't forget to pay us a visit on the Hawk Ridge Systems website, check out our YouTube channel, or give us a call anytime. We'll help you bring your ideas to life with engineering the way it should be.